Welcome. Today I'll be reviewing Remco. This is a remittance token. You must have known of Western Union money transfer, you know of MoneyGram and different money transfer that exist today. And of course, you know that it takes time for you to receive money or for your relatives to receive money. Apart from the time, it takes a lot of fee from you. Now, with Remco, the remittance will be based on the blockchain, and they hope that they plan that everything is going to be easier and better with their platform. Let's scroll down and see what this ICO is all about. The pre-ICO crowd sale will end in 35 days, and they accept Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, they accept Ethereum and Vcash. So now currently they are in the pre-ICO, which is 6 cents. After that, they will move to public sale 1, which will be 8 cents, and also public sale 2, which is going to be 8 cents too. So you can get involved with it now when it is 6 cents. Now, the token name is Remco and is an Ethereum blockchain token. That is the RC20 token. The soft cap is 6 million US dollars, the hard cap is 60 million US dollars. The total supply is 2 billion, and you can see the pre-ICO date and the public sale date. And the parent company of Remco says they process payment for Western Union and many top retail money transmitters in the United States. They process over $700 million in 24 months. They have 3 US state money transfer licenses, and they say more are coming. They have mobile payment license, have national money transmitter license, instant access to 3.6 million subscribers. That's what the parent company of this ICO is have been able to achieve. So now let's see more about the team members of Remco. And of course, on this website, when you click on this, our team wallpaper, just click on anyone, you see more about this. So let's see here. Peter Ojo, CEO and CTO. This is a innovator business process automation. And you can see more about him here. Joel Patnod, Catherine Birua, who is Vice President, and George Oluwaboro is here, and Olufumilayo Ojo, and Dr. Moses Arson. You can find them one after another here, the team members. They also have, you can be part of the community manager and can be part of the investors relations. It's a partner of other platform businesses currently operated by the Remco founder. You can see their partners here. This is the white paper, 58-page white paper well put together. So I really encourage you, take your time to go through the white paper and see more about the team members, what they have achieved, who they've worked, and how this project is going to be better than the traditional way of sending money. Now let's take the reviews on ICO Bench. They have 4.6 on ICO Bench. As I've said, the Remco is the token name, and they accept Ethereum, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Vcash. You've seen the soft copy. They are based in United States, and you need the KYC. You need to submit your maybe travel license or national passport as a proof that you are actually a real person. And if you are from Iran and North Korea, you cannot be involved with this ICO. I strongly believe Remco is a good project, and I believe being part of the remittance industry is something unique and something good because more people will find reasons to send money. They keep sending more money every day. People who live in the Western world need to send money to their relative back home for substitution fee and all the rest. So this is my review. I'm going to leave the link below. You can click on it and sign up for this ICO. And in fact, As you know that the pre-sale is still on, you can get it at 6 cents. Now, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this review. And please, before you go, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Goodbye.